Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph here again, man. Back with another pickup, man. This time we're going to be doing something really cool. Again, remember my series, 20 under 20, when I pick up 20 things under 20 bucks from your local places like Target. I always say that one, I don't know why, but TJ Maxx and other places I can find really cool game and stuff, man. This week, yeah, man, let's get it. So here we got the PlayStation icons like the lampy. And it got the triangle, circle, X, and square. By our buddies over at Paladone. It includes three modes: standard light, color phasing, and music reactive. Oh, that's pretty cool. See what we got here on the side. Nothing, some really good branding on this, man. I like that. And then this is what it looks like when it's on. This is what it looks like when it's off. Again, you design in the UK by Paladone. You find them on Tweet or Twitter, YouTube, let's get it, and Instagram. Okay, so I got this for 12 bucks. Original retail was $25. Wasn't going to pay that. Very similar to the Xbox one. I'll put the description right about there. That way you can watch that video too, man. So this is the last 20 under 20. I paid $3 for this over at TJ Maxx. I got it right the first time, man. And this one was 12 bucks. This actually was 12 bucks plus tax. So enough talking, man. Let's get right into it. Wow, man. Automatically, I'm really satisfied with this. This is going to make my PS5 area look pretty dope. My little gaming area there for PS5. Oh, wow. Yeah, oh, yes. So I'm going to set this aside now. This is what it looks like. This gray is super nostalgic for anybody that had the original PlayStation. Does that kind of take you guys back? Do you remember that? Yeah. So that gray PlayStation, I think I may put what the original PlayStation looked right about there. Super dope. That's it. That's all that came in the box. And we got some literature. Let's see what it tells us here. Oh, we can plug this in. Micro USB. And on-off switch. And then it tells us how to do it with the music reactive. So you probably wouldn't do this with music, but I'm assuming you could have this lit up. It's lit with whatever game you're playing. So maybe it'll light up based on whatever game you're playing. I think that would be pretty dope. I'm not sure. Don't quote me because I generally don't read the literature. I just usually throw it like that. Something like that. Okay. So now we got... Oh man, this is so dope. By Reactive here, or Paladone. Man, I only got the PlayStation branding right here, trademark. And this thing is sick, guys. Let's turn on the side here. Nothing on the side. Look on the back. You got the micro USB. Would have been nice if they did USB-C. I like this, man. It almost looks like a magnet almost. Yeah, they did really great work with this. On the bottom here, it looks like, what kind of batteries it is? Oh, AA, man. Let's get it. Yeah, you got your AA batteries. I'm sorry, AAA. You got your AAA batteries right here. Officially licensed by PlayStation. Paladone over in the UK. Shouts out our UK buddies. And then this thing is lit, man. Nope, it doesn't have any batteries on the inside. But I'm going to go ahead and go grab some batteries and let's get into it. Yeah, man. So again, I'll go ahead and lit this thing up. Man, this thing really glows crazy, man. Like with your little PlayStation mug there. This would be a nice setup for any gaming room area or whatever you're going to do. Again, shouts out to Orange Gatorade going all up in there. Okay, so here's what we got going on here. We got the triangle, circle, X, and square. Like how that lights up, kind of iridescent there to match the mug. And then how it just... I don't know. Okay, cool. I found a little circle. So playing some music or something like that, it would definitely go in. I really wish when you turn this thing on, it would have been like PlayStation. That would have been super cool, man. Turn it off. And again, this is what it looks like. Constant glow. This thing is really sick, man. And it was only 12 bucks. So if you got a PlayStation 5, even a 4, man. Nothing wrong with that. And even 3, because I think it still works. Go ahead and grab this little accessory. You can pick this up. Again, at TJ Maxx, they probably have it in Marshalls and Home Goods as well for 12 bucks. And then this is now February, so I'm assuming that if they have any of these left, it may be like $6 or $7. Definitely worth the pickup, man. And I really, really like this, man. This has been an unboxing and a quick review of the PlayStation Paladone light set, man. Really like it. Triangle, circle, X, square, man. Until the next video, it's been Steph. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get it.